continuing from where we stopped about the scale, and as I promised us, it's going to be our number one question. Basically, in our previous class, I said we have three types of scale. The first one is statement of scale. Statement of scale. In the statement of scale, what do we mean by statement of scale? As number one types of scale, it is the ratio of proportion that is describing the relationship existing between the distance on the paper and the actual distance on the ground in a statement form or figures. When we say in the statement form or figures, we can say that 1 centimeter rep 1 kilometer. This 1 centimeter rep 1 kilometer can also be 1 centimeter to what? 1 kilometer. That is 1 centimeter on the paper to represent 1 kilometer on the ground. If you have something like this and you say 1 centimeter on the ground, it means it should be what? In kilometer. Meaning that if you want to convert 1 centimeter to kilometer, that is 100,000. For converting 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer is what? 100,000. That is 1 kilometer times 100,000 is going to be what? 100,000 kilometers. Now, not only this, if you have 1 centimeter rep 1 kilometer in statement form, that is how we call it statement form. That is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter represents 1 kilometer. That is in statement form. That's why we say 1 centimeter rep 1 kilometer. It means that 1 centimeter on the ground represents 1 kilometer on 1 centimeter on the paper represents 1 kilometer on the ground. This is what we mean by statement of scale. The second one that we are trying to talk about is representative fraction. Representative fraction. In representative fraction as a type of scale, it is the ratio of proportion that is describing the relationship that is existing between the distance on the paper and the actual distance on the ground in a fractional form. When we say in a fractional form, look at what we are dealing with before. Remember, this is 1 centimeter to 1 rep 1 kilometer, which is the same thing as 1 all over 100,000 or 1 ratio 100,000 in a representative fraction, that is in fractional form. If 1 centimeter rep 1 kilometer is statement, in fractional form is going to be 1 over 100,000 or 1 ratio 100,000. This 1 centimeter is this. And this 1 kilometer has already been converted in centimeter because 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer means 1 centimeter on the paper and 1 kilometer on the ground. This kilometer on the ground is 100,000. If it is 2 centimeter rep 1 kilometer is equals to 2 all over 100,000, which is the same thing as 1 all over 50,000. Which means if you have this as a scale under topographical map, it means 1 ratio 100,000 or 1 over 100,000. If you have 2 centimeter rep 1 kilometer, it means 2 all over 100,000, which is 1 ratio 50,000. It means 1 over 50,000. This is what we mean by representative fraction. And these are what comprises of our number one question. And the third one is linear scale. Remember, always to remember to follow us on Facebook and our YouTube page so that we can continue and you don't miss anything out. Thanks.